Well, quite a few of you guys had some halfway decent ideas, actually. Let's see, Jackpot Digger said it could be the coil pack. Well, this car doesn't have a coil pack, but it does have one coil. And, hey, that's a possibility. There's, on the side, it looks like it's, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it looks slightly burnt or something. And Bill the Junking Fool said that, at nighttime look for arcing and sparking, and I didn't see any. Nothing that I could notice. And a few people said change the spark plugs. Maybe I'll do that. And I don't know, maybe the timing is off. Kind of doubt that, but it's possible. Anything's possible. Timing might be. So I took the fuel injectors off because you gotta listen carefully, okay? A while back when I was tinkering on the white truck, I went to go and take these off, the fuel injectors, because I was going to put them on the white truck. I never did. I simply removed them from here, put them off to the side, okay, in a clean paper bag, and I never did anything with them. I just put them back on, and from that day I've had issues. So I'm wondering if this wire, if it's cracked. I know my thumbnail isn't clean from making a video. I got dirt under my fingernail. I'm working on the car. What? That wire looks cracked, but it looks like it's not broken electrically. Like, I should rig up some kind of a tester or something to see if I'm getting electricity. Now, before I took the thing off, I pulled one of these each. Oh, Scrap Farm, he was saying pull one plug wire at a time. And I guess there's some kind of a tool you can pull a plug wire without getting a shock. I never knew that was possible, because I'm like, you need to turn it off each time and undo it, but that's just to see if it runs any differently. So that's a possibility. Maybe we'll do that. I'd have to get that gadget or that tool though. So anyway, when the injector was on here, I removed one plug at a time. I removed this plug and then ran it, and then I removed that plug and then ran it. And for some reason, when I removed this plug, it runs really bad. And when I removed this plug, it didn't really change the performance too much. So I'm wondering, since removing this plug right here did not change the performance too much, and removing this one made the thing perform so horribly it barely wanted to run. In other words, when this was connected, it would still run pretty much the crappy way that it has been. Okay, when I removed this one. Alright, but when this thing was taken off and just this one was on, it barely wanted to run. Alright? Are you guys following this? When this one was connected, over here on the right bank, the vehicle ran pretty much the way it has been, which is fair to partly cloudy. Now when I disconnected this one and left this one connected, it barely ran at all. Okay? I don't know if that cracked plastic's got anything to do with it. Maybe. I know it's burnt, but it's been like that for a long time. That's from it backfiring and fires happening in there over the years that I've had this. So cosmetically, the tops of these are melted and damaged, but whatever. Guess I could go to the junkyard and get, I don't know, get a new plug set up. Because this wiring is like I don't know, the plastic is made out of some, it's like a high temperature plastic. It's not like these wires. This kind of wiring is soft. The ones going to the injectors, that wire is like really, like, the plastic's really hard. It's like I don't know, it's a different kind of plastic. Right there, the wires leading up to it, it's like stiff like a rock. Like this is like really soft. And it's like that all the way through, so I'm claiming that it's like a special kind of wiring. Car problems. Yeah, so only one coil for this, but hey, like Jackpot said, maybe that's the problem. I don't know. That could be because this coil, even though it's one coil, it has a left and a right bank or something like that, because it's got one and two. It's got two sides, so it could be one side of the coil is underperforming. Anything is possible, man. And you get like these spark plug wire, like little divots from chafing and stuff like that. It makes you wonder if you're leaking voltage. That'll make it run funny. So my dumb idea is to get a 9-volt battery. These are the fuel injectors for this type of vehicle. It's a throttle body. Get a 9-volt battery and test them. See if they click. And if the clicking sounds different. See this? This is the one that I got from the junkyard for the white truck. We're gonna go and see, and I will see you in the next video. Maybe I'll get a 9-volt battery from like Walgreens or something.